Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, we'll continue our professional development course for the teachers, specifically for the math teacher that I'm preparing interview for. Some of the topics can be implemented and can be done for the other teachers as well, other subject teachers as well. Now, in this particular video, I'm going to talk about how to transform the math performance of school. The reason many good institutions or the average or the low level performances in the math can be overcome with these key strategies that I'm proposing. First one is that obviously in order to have a good performance in your school, you need to have a good or excellent teachers, basically who are subject expertise. Like we need to identify, select and recruit them, and most importantly retain them. And how are you going to retain them is the policies that should co-exist, or the policies must be in such a way that both will have a mutual agreement upon. That there has to be a continuous progress professionally as well as personally for that teachers, then only those teachers will retain. Otherwise you will see the dropout or resignations of those teachers and leaving and joining the other organizations. So you need to support those teachers by a lead trainer who is the expert in the subject and can guide and motivate them. So those programs, if it is there as a regular part of your process annually, and then feedback of that particular improvement of the teachers by the lead trainer with the agreement with the management would be definitely handy. And those teachers' interest and passions also counts, but most important is what sort of tasks and activities that you are giving it based upon the curriculum that you are teaching, whether it is a robust curriculum or whether it is a state or the centralized given to the teachers to perform it, whether the curriculum is continuously progressive or it is static, like it has been following throughout with the same pattern. I mean, that also have to be taken care, because when the education is evolving, so as our curriculum should be, which is rarely in the case of Indian curriculum schools, where the one particular textbook has been followed for the n number of years. So it is not been updated regularly as per the needs of the society. That's what I have been experiencing as a maths teacher. Do away traditional modes and methods, because yes, we are in the 21st century and we have to adjust with the technologies that exist when blended learning is the option. So we must accommodate ourselves by adopting the new methods that are there, which can be done with the professional development programs, of course, under the guidance of the lead trainer or whatever the school gives us. Even if there is a lack of resources from the school, we ourselves can improve by utilizing the technologies. And then of course, as a maths teacher or the existing faculty that are there for the schools, they must add fun in the subject by making the environment of the topics by relating it to the real world. And definitely atmosphere of inquisitiveness among the learners should be created, because one thing is doing math and the other thing is whether the student or whether are you able to communicate what mathematics has involved in the process. That is the most important thing. Teaching and learning go hand in hand. When doing math and communicating what math has been performed is done in a unique way, and then only the subject can be loved by our students. I hope you like the video, and this particular key points would definitely be handy in your teacher interview related questions. Thank you so much